Hello beautiful people. So tonight I'm going to show you how to make drunk vegan nachos. So first step is we get some corn chips. I like these because they're gluten free and they're al natural. Do you like my role playing? I'm actually like playing that I'm drunk right now. I haven't really drunk this bottle of wine and filled it up with apple juice. Grape juice. This bottle of wine and filled it up with grape juice. We've got our corn chips in our little pan here. I'm going to chuck some spinach on. Why? Because spinach is full of good shit. Then in this pan here, I have made some vegan sausage with leek and mushrooms and a little bit of nutritional yeast. Oh my God, it smells amazing. And then I'm going to add, you guessed it, some beans, some Whatties. What? Whatties? Some Whatties beans. I'm going to throw them on top. Right, I'll show you a little trick while I've got you here. You bang it, then you get a knife, flip the lid, right? And then you just get the knife and you push it in that little bit there till you hear a pop, right? And then, check this out. Oh shit. Put the salsa over the top. Let's get this bio cheese right here. Oh, and by the way, the sausage that I used, I know I'm a lesbian, but I do like sausage. I didn't like sausage until I became vegan because non-vegan sausage is disgusting. Vegan ladies out there, you know what I'm talking about. Half the time it can't come up properly. Yeah, but anyway, vegetarian sausages. These are rosemary, sage, and parsley, and they are amazing. So I'm just going to grab the grater because I didn't think about that one. While I've got you all here, do you like my deer head? It's actually the wife's, but anyway. Look, folks, people of New Zealand, you actually don't have to kill a deer in order to get a deer head. What? Are you fucking crazy? Yeah, I guess I am. Because look at that. And it's just as pretty. Grate it over the top of my drunk vegan nachos. And you just wait. These are nuts, man. These are the duck's nuts. So let me show you. Looks like that. So all the ingredients that I've used so far, I only use one sausage. That's right, folks, one sausage, some leek and some nutritional yeast, some baby spinach, some gluten-free corn chips, one bottle of wine, some salsa. Watch out for salsa because sometimes pricks like to put dairy in salsa. Who the fuck would have thought to do that? Step to the side. And chili beans. What? Tease? Chili beans. Yep, so that's going in the oven and I'll show you the finished product. So in all seriousness, you do get this shirt from 1 Million Vegans. All you need to do is jump on 1 Mil Vegans on Facebook and you can get your very own beautiful, not so in your face like my Eat Pussy Not Animal shirt. All it is I am a part of the global vegan movement. Unity, compassion and respect. And this is why I will never stop talking about it, because you don't need to kill our beautiful animals. You don't need to harm the planet in order to get really good food. And you certainly don't need to eat animal products to be healthy. Coming up 5 years this year, I am so grateful every single day. So this is everyone's dinner tonight. Finished product.